Gary, take it away. What are we doing here?
When I see the move right here and I see the market consolidating here, we see a fake out and it starts breaking structure and it starts hitting all. That's not fundamentals telling me the market's doing. That's telling me technical saying, hey, price is moving up. Yes, it can be supported by fundamentals, but I'm going to trade based on the technical setup. Trust it more than I trust fundamentals, because fundamentals can be just immediate movement like we're having today, a lot of volatility, and then it could take weeks to play out to start moving in the direction. The one pair that we've been focusing on and talking about is actually euro weakness. We've been monitoring this upward move here, going back here, and we noticed that there was a couple of things. And this again was all set up based on technicals. What we had set up here is that we had the markets creating this big upward rally, and then price pull back into this area. And so we have to ask ourselves, why did price move back into this area? And it's because of this insufficiency here that price tapped into and then took off. And we knew that this is accumulation being formed right here. We saw a manipulation move towards a fair value gap, which is an insufficiency, and then price moved into distribution. It went past the distribution target. So we're currently looking for liquidity. And we have to remember there's 4 reasons why price moves, right? Price moves because it's hunting for liquidity, generating liquidity. It's looking to rebalance insufficiency and rebalance equilibrium. So when we understand why the markets are moving, then we can understand that this means that price is trying to chase after liquidity up here. So I'm probably going to look for a sell on the euro US dollar.
I'm going to join Gary, and it's not necessarily because I agree with him, but because I am looking at it technically and saying, you know, it's breaking down, it's breaking below some pretty key levels of support, and price action's pretty bearish. The reason why I was actually going to be getting long dollar yen, because I think dollar yen setting up a nice little bullish wedge, but I'd rather be short the euro, is just because if something does go wrong, this high right here is when Takeachi is going to be leader of the LDP and become prime minister. And so those are matching those highs. And let's say it doesn't work out the way the market is assuming it's going to work out. We might actually see some dollar strength on the heels of that, which is just going to add to this euro weakness. So I'm going to actually short the euro. I think the price action is pretty bearish while you're staying below this resistance.